Hello family, it's Ajibade Luashim here, and I must say a big thank you to you all for following through the Text Effect Designers Challenge series. Yeah, so I welcome us to day 11. Yeah, the application process where we get to apply our text effects on our designs. So we're going to be working with a love text effect that was created on the first day, and we're going to be using it to create this simple flyer design. So in the next few minutes we're just going to be creating this together. A lot of manipulations were done on the background to get the simple silky background that we have here. So we're just going to be doing that together, so just take your time to study it, and as you get it, don't worry, resources are made available for us in description below. So let's get started. I'm going to tap on this and I tap on this and everything clears. So the first thing I do is to bring down is to go to the fourth icon, then change the image size. But this time around, I'm going to be working with a square size, that is 1280. We have a lot of square size, but I'm going to be working 1280 by 1280. So now I'm going to next thing to do is to set my grid line, and I'm going to do it this way. So for this top one over here, just to tap and put it on. The first one is just going to be on 5. It's going to be on 5. Going to be on 5. Then I'm going to copy another one. I will tell us I'm going to copy this and just put it on 10. We're going to see the reason as we, and I'll put this one over here at 10, and I put this over at 90. Okay, so and we have this. So the next thing I will do is just what's called import. I'm going to import all the necessary elements. So I'm just going to multiple tap this, and I get my elements. Oh, so the first element getting here is this, and next thing is this, and next I'm just going to get this, and next I'm just going to quickly run through. Okay, no, just going to change. Okay, no, let's just, so let me just pause and get all the necessary elements. And so we have all this. I'm just going to crop this, and we have this. So then we have this and this. Okay, so what I'll do is just to lock all this. Yes, so I think that's all for now. Okay, so the next thing for us to do is to just start working around with everything we have. So I believe right now we have saved our text effect. So I'm just going to be bringing them, but before that, let's just manipulate our background. So we're going to work with a plain white, but come to this third icon here. Just tap on your screen any hand so that you get your stickers icon. Then I have this sticker, so you tap back on it. I've taught us why you should tap on this. So just once you tap on sticker, don't tap on the check mark, so you just tap on your screen, that's on your canvas, then tap back on this check mark, then just go to color and turn on the color, then click on the plus icon. We're just going to put in the color code. So the color code for this is FFCCCB. So please, I will advise you pay attention to this now, because I'm going to be doing a lot of tricks here. So just stretch this, bring this here. I'm going to copy this out, then just bring this here, copy this, bring this over here, copy this, bring it here, and lastly copy this, then just stretch a little and just bring it here. Okay, we have all this, then just lock. Yeah, so next one we're going to do the blurry this blurry emoji stuff. Just bring it to the front, and we're just going to be doing some tricks. So what we do is just increase the size of this, then bring it here, reduce this reduce the opacity to about 20. Yes, 20. I think 20 is fine. Then copy this out and just flip it this way. Then just bring it something like this. Okay, so you might just need to increase the size a bit. Okay, I think I've gotten what I want. Then I copy this out again and just increase the size more. Then I bring this in here. Okay, so let me just increase the size again. Okay, so we have this. So just lock everything that you have here. Lock everything that you have here. So the next thing for you to do is to start. Let's put in the logo. Take this to the front and just bring this here. So for the first color that we what's it called, for the first grid that we have, we're just going to put this here. That's we're just going to put this here. That's the 5. Then centralize this. I believe we understand what I'm doing. I'm just going to put it here exactly so you can see. So we have this. Then I go to color and I'm just going to turn on this. Just leave it like this for that's red. So let's just leave that. So the next thing is to go to your text, tap on text. Now just come here and put in love. So we have love. Then go to your styles and tap on browse. Tap on this because I've saved my. I believe we can do that. Check the video this and just stretch this. We're going to work with a size of 150. So just keep this here. Let's see 155. Then we centralize. Okay, so we have this. We have this. Okay, so copy this out again. And just go to your styles. Click on browse. Click on this. Since it's a 3-layer text effect, I'm just going to put this again. Then I click on position and adjust this. Then I copy this again. So click on this. We're just going to keep that there. So I'm sure you get how this was done. Okay, so this is nice. Okay, so the next thing for us is to click on text again. Now we're just going to be putting in the text let. So click on let and we go to color, sorry, and color, yeah, and just click on black. Then go to fonts. So the name of the font I'm going to be using is Biloxi script. So this is the font. So there's a little glitch that just happened now. I'm just going to try as much as possible to readjust that. So for us to do this, let's tap on these 3 icons, then tap on recover to save and just click on this last one. Okay, so we have this. Okay, this is fine. Now let's click on text again. I'm sure you can see. So when you have stuff like that, don't panic, just try and recover or to save. At times we get those little glitch. So remember the name of the font is Biloxi script. So we have it here. Okay, so now, hey, no, now. So let's just, so now go to color and just make the color black. So remember, we're working with a grid. So your grid will definitely cancel. So just rearrange them again. 5. Then copy this down. Okay, copy using this. And just put this on let's work with 12. Let's just work with 12 here. Then for this sides here, let's work with 10. 10, 10. So this is going to be 90 and this is going to be 10. Do you understand? I believe you do, because when working with grids, the upper part is 10, the left part is 10, then the right part is 90, the below part is 90. So that's just the way it works. Okay, so then you disengage your grid settings and just reduce the size of this a little bit. So now let's work with let's see what 45 will give us first. Then if it's not perfect, I need to, what's it called, rearrange that. Okay, so work is in progress. So copy this text out and we'll just put um rain again. Okay, so let's make the size of this 50. Let's make this also 50. You see, design is decision making. So if you see that it's not really bold, you can just, what's it called, um adjust and adjust. Okay, so we have that. So the next is to bring in the this particular effect that was used there, then bring it to the front. So this time I want to just reduce the size and bring it here. So just keep this here. So this way you are going to be needing the grid much more, so just reduce the size. Now put this here like this, exactly, then take it below the love. So that's what we're going to be doing, exactly like this. Then you just adjust, make sure it's not above that grid. Okay, so we have this, then copy it out, then click on crop, then flip it this way. Make sure you get this, then just bring this here and do the same thing for this. So place this here and just tap on this, then take it below. Do you get it? So what it does is now you start adjusting with your position too. Okay, so this is nice, this is nice. So the next thing for us to do is to work is a massive progress. So the next thing for us to do is to bring in the image. Now turn on the image, then take this to the front. Now you can see that I'm taking time to arrange the layers. You have to make sure that your layers are properly organized. So let's just bring it exactly this way. Let's reduce the size of this exactly this way. Just keep it this way. So now I'm going to copy this out to show you the difference between two of them now. So this one I'm going to edit. So click on color filter. Don't do this, please, don't do this, it's not necessary. If you do this, you are making the person look like an alien. You don't want that to happen, you get. So just restart this, then just reduce your opacity to about sorry, reduce the saturation to about 50, or let's see what, minus 40, please. Are you seeing that? So it depends on the particular image you are working on. You can decide, maybe if the image is very dull, you can work with increased saturation. But because of this image, I want it to blend solely with the design I'm working with. So let's start with minus 41. Reduce the brightness to minus 10. Increase the contrast to plus 30. Okay, so we have this. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference between the two? So that's why you need to enhance your images at times. So that's just that for that. So we have this. We might decide to reduce this a bit. So let's just keep this here. You can see that I'm positioning the image. Okay, so that's that. Then we go to our text. Let's just bring in a text again, and I'm going to put in, okay, 8 a.m. So then we go to our font. So the name of the font that was used here is MTN Brighter Sans Bold. So just keep it. So this is where we need our grid now. So just copy this grid and just position this here first this way. So don't let it be more than this love icon that we have here. So that's 15. I think we're good with 15. Please pay attention telling you this because so just going to try and be fast here. Then make this black. Then we copy this and make this 28 February. Then we put that like this. Okay, so what to do is go to our line spacing, then reduce line spacing. Okay, so we have this. Just keep this here first. Just reduce the size this way. Okay, so I want to quickly do something. So for this emoji that is this, just tap on this tab till I don't really know the particular one, so I'm just until I get it. Okay, this is it. Yeah, so I lock it and just move it to the top a bit. Yeah, and I lock it back. So please, I want to do something. So just bring this down. Yeah, down here too. So let's just bring this down. So I'm just going to before doing so that I'm going to bring in a shape to demarcate this line over and like to put for the address and the rest. So that I'm just going to bring in this shape for. Yes, so then I go to color and tap in the color code. So the color code for this is FFE4 E343 FFE4 E343 FF3E43, please. FF3E43. So we have that. Then take it to the back of the man. Please take it to the back of the man. Okay, so we have that. So after doing that, so the next thing for you to do is to um what's it called? Yeah, I'm still going to bring this stuff. Okay, not this particular one to the top. I want it. I want the date and time to be on it. Then what I do is just to take these particular ones inside. You get. So you have to just there's no fix. Just have to keep adjusting till you get what you want. So I think I'm very much okay now. Then we can unlock them now. Okay, so moving on. So we have this. So just bring this down a little bit. Then bring this down to a little bit. So we copy this out and bring in, then put prompt here. Then we go to our font again and change the font size. That's to MTN lights, brighter sans lights. You get. So let's just reduce the size very much. Okay, so we have that. Then we adjust. So we adjust and we copy this out and bring this here. Then we put 2023. So then what we do here is just come to spacing and spacing the words. So let's just work with 10. So what you do is just to go to color, just to, and work with this color, the color that you use for this red here. You get. So that's just what we do. Just take this to the top. Okay, this is not really nice. Why? Because it's meant to be seated underneath the text properly. So what it does, let's make this way, please. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So size 22 for the text. Then we go to spacing again. So we have this. Okay, so then what it does is change the color of this to this. Then tap on, okay, prompt, bring it here. So and tap on the two, and tap on this icon here, tap on this, then bring the two of them down. Yeah, so this is what I want to create, something like. Then I see that this adjustment here is not really nice. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so we have this. I think I'm cool with this now. Okay, so I think this is fine for now. If there's any adjustment, we'll do that. Okay, so for the icons, let's just bring this in. So bring this to the front, bring this to the front. So this, you go to your, for this one over here, you click on erase color, tap on this, and tolerance to all the way to 70, reduce the size all the way down. Okay, so we bring this here, and we change the color to the color that we use for the background, that's this. Okay, so for this, just reduce the size more, just bring this here. And what it is, just to go to our shape again, bring in a shape, just bring this here and just bring this. Okay, so bring this here, then change the color to this particular one. So we have this here, so we have this here. So we copy this out, then we put the name of the person. We have Shedrack Ade Sonia. Okay, so we have this. Do it this way, then reduce the size much more. Then change the color to white. Let's see. Okay, so let's increase the size again. Let's see 17. Okay, I think 16 works well. 16 is where 16 is fine here. So how do we change this color to this? So what you do is just go to your icon, then go to color filter, then just play with the hue, take the hue all the way down, Okay, I think I've gotten it. Let's see 130. Then bring it to the front. Yeah. Okay, so then we bring this down. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so take this to the top a bit. Okay, so work is in progress. Okay, Okay, so that's that for that particular one. So for this, once you just bring this, I think we still have two icons to bring in. But for that, let's just copy this out. Then we'll put the name of the address. So the name of the address is, so we have that. Then just go to, let's reduce the size all the way down here, and we'll change the font to MTN Brighter Sans medium. We change to the medium part. Then we go to line spacing and just bring this down. You get, so line spacing of -5 can work. Then what you do here is turn on your grid again. Then make sure that, consider I'm grading my work because it's very much important that we do that. Okay, so we have that. Then just change the color of this. So okay, so we change the color of this to this color, right? Then copy this out and we put our number. So we have 0912354667. Then we have 07042231861. Okay, and we have this. Then bring this down here. So okay, turn this off. So we might see we need to reduce the size of this. So please take notes, this and this, like the this alignment must be aligning with this one here. You get this one over here, the edge of this. So anything we are doing must not be more than this. Okay, let's just keep this down here exactly so that we have a perfect alignment. So let's just oops. So turn on this, just take this up. Okay, so we have this. So reduce the size of this a bit, just keep this here. So we have this, and let's change this to white, please. White. Okay, so there was something that was added here. Okay, I think we're done with this particular part, so we can decide to just adjust all this, but I think we are done here. So before we forget this, copy this out. Then we're just going to put width, and we're just going to use the size. Bring this down, then bring this here, change it to white, change the color to white. Okay, so so Then what we do is just to go to our curve and let's just see what this curve gives us. No, don't change font please. Then we rotate and we curve more. So we reduce the size too. Let's see what 20. Then we curve more. Go to our curve again. Yes, exactly. So this is the idea. So we just copy this out. So let me just delete this. So we are actually done with this design. Okay, so this is actually how to create a simple flyer. You can see how imaginative this is. So please, I would like you to watch, implement, and also there are links to my community. You can join there. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly do so to get more amazing tricks on how to create flyers like this. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video tutorial. God bless you.